Even though I cannot provide you with an answer to that question, what I can do is provide you with the best 3 ways of earning free Bitcoin in 2021. Make sure to watch this video until the end if you want to know exactly what I am talking about. Hello guys, I am Rayhan, and today, I am going to reveal the top 3 fastest ways of earning free Bitcoin in 2021. For this, we need a little time and a little effort, and as I tell you, you have to look at these things with 100% focus and patience. And don't think I am asking too much of you. Especially, having in mind a huge potential of these methods that what I want to tell you today, and these methods will be so simple that you don't need any experience for it in trading or cryptocurrency or anything of that type. Because in this video I will tell you the things that will save your time and your effort. Please don't forget to drop us a like, also hit the subscribe button, so as to get notified whenever we release a brand new video. Hello guys, if you are watching this, you have to know that we are running a brand new giveaway on the channel. We are giving away the new iPhone 11 Pro Max or the new MacBook Pro. The choice is yours. Now let's get started. The first method of generating free Bitcoin online is using Feature Points, and if you are not familiar with the website, you need to connect featurepoints.com and start using it now, because they are one of the most reputable in the business. They have given over $5 million to their users since 2012. That means, they have been around for about 9 years now, and that is quite something, and they make it very clear that the app is available for both iOS devices and the Android devices. So they don't make a separation, that means anyone can use it regardless of which operating system they are using. As they briefly describe the process here, you will earn reward on your phone or on the web with surveys, cashback and many others. Now, as you might know, you are basically trading your time for money. If you have got a few minutes to spare while waiting in line, perhaps you can make time to earn reward using Features Points, and that is quite profitable, and I'm going to show you the most profitable method of using it in order to not leave any money on the table. The first thing we have to do on Feature Points is to complete surveys. And those are multiple choices that only take a few seconds of your time. Now they will also give you cashbacks, and that means whenever you shop at one of their partners such as Gap, Walmart, Microsoft, GameStop, Sephora and Macy's, you will get a percentage of your money back. They will give you a commission each time you make a purchase, and they are also very transparent about the process. As you can see, the stores pay them a commission for sending you to them, and they will share that commission with you. It's a win-win situation that they are basically splitting their profit. They will also require you to download app on your mobile phone in order to try them out and get some additional points. But I am not talking about some shady apps that you have not heard of. They are talking about Instagram, Clash of Clans, Tinder, Slacks and many others. Something else that you need to keep in mind is that these are referral program, because they will give you a generous commission of 50% each time one of the friends that you have referred to the platform makes a withdrawal. And that is passive income, that literally means that you only have to put in the work once, and after that you will earn rewards consistently every once in a while, and in terms of withdrawing your money. And as I mentioned before, Bitcoin is an option. As you can see here, Bitcoin is included in the withdrawal option, and you can use your Bitcoin wallet in order to redeem your rewards now. And another thing that I noticed about Feature Points is the fact that they have really strong social media presence. They have got 250,000 followers, and that is quite something. That means that a lot of people are using the app right now. And you may want to give it a try as well, as in order to replicate their success and also earn some significant amount of money in free Bitcoin that you can redeem straight with your Bitcoin wallet. They also have a YouTube channel that has about 200,000 subscribers, and that is quite something, and you can follow them in order to see their latest updates, because they always keep in touch with their audience in order to notify them about the new changes and what they have in mind for the future, and that means people are actively involved in the development of this app, and you have a huge potential to earn even more money in the future. So if you want to take part in this, take action right now, because this opportunity may not be available forever. The second method of generating free Bitcoin online in 2021. We have got lolli.com, and you need to connect to this website, which has got a really unique concept. It is basically a Chrome extension that you can install in order to use this very powerful piece of software that is going to be highly profitable for you. Now I wish this was available worldwide, but it's not. So it is true, only US citizens can take part in this process and utilize their time using Lolli. But for those of you who live outside of the US, don't worry, because I have got another way of generating free Bitcoin online that is available worldwide. Now what lolli.com does is, it gives you cash back whenever you purchase items at one of their partners. Feature Point also does that, but the main advantage of Lolli is the fact that they will give you up to 30% of your cashback in Bitcoin rewards. But now, in order to maximize your profits and not leave money on the table, I suggest to use both websites. And other significant advantage of Lolli is the fact that they have partnered up with over 1,000 top brands, and that includes Nike, eBay, Microsoft and many others, and they also summarize the entire process here. So as you can see, you can get Lolli and add the extension to your Chrome browser or also to your Firefox browser, if you are using that. After that you will be shopping from the web, and if you purchase item at one of their partners you will earn money, and I am talking about up to 30% of your money back, which is not too bad. They have also been featured in places like CNN, The Wall Street Journal, Forbes, CNBC and Fox Business, and not everyone gets to do that. Now if you wish to give this a try and see how well it performs for you. For that you just have to add the extension to your Chrome browser, and that will notify you whenever you are on one of their partners' pages. For example, if you connect to Nike's website in order to purchase something, you will get a notification saying that you are eligible for getting a percentage of your money back. And another feature that most people don't know about is the fact that this is also available on mobile. That means they also have a mobile version of this app. That allows you to get cashback while you are on the go. And just to let you know guys, I have actually went ahead and typed in this slowly legit in the Google search bar, and this is what showed up if you click on the second link. You should be able to see around 48 reviews of people who have been using Lolli, and these reviews are completely in favor of this platinum. As you can spot right here, 4.8 out of 5 stars in reviews. That is amazing. If you want to give it a try, you take action right now, and if you do, come back to the video and leave your feedback down there in the comment section. Because I am really interested to know how much money you were able to generate. Was it more than $100? Was it less? Did you manage to get all the way up to 1,000? Leave your comments down there and I am going to read them now. Before we move on to the third method of generating money online, I want you guys to take a look at this. Bitcoin is now at $38,000, and I want you to point out that if you earn free Bitcoin right now in rewards, it may get you even more profits in the long run, because if the price of Bitcoin goes higher all the way up to 40,000 perhaps, as it is used to be a few days ago. While in this case, you will maximize your profit, you will earn additional rewards for free without being actively involved. Without doing anything in particular, but Bitcoin has been quite unstable and unpredictable. And in the last period, if you have like me to go about ways you can earn other cryptocurrencies such as Ethereum or Litecoin, please let me know in the comments below, because I always read them and I am interested to see your honest opinion. If you guys want me to talk about anything else, if I will do so. Now last but definitely not least, I want you guys to connect to Coinbase. I am sure some of you are already familiar with this website. It is basically a place where you can set up your Bitcoin wallet for free. But additionally, you can also get a bonus, and that is a bonus of $165, so that is quite something. I want you to take advantage of that in order to do so. Once you have connected to Coinbase, you have to set up your account. You can go over to this green button right here on the top of the page, and you can see that for learning about all this upcoming cryptocurrency, you will get a certain amount of money. For instance, if you decide to start learning about Compound, you will get $59, and that is just by completing a simple course. You will have to watch a few videos and maybe answer a few questions about. So it won't waste too much of your time at this method. I believe it is worth it. Now, it is true that you won't get rewarded in Bitcoin, and instead you will get rewarded in this particular cryptocurrency, but these are all upcoming. They have huge potential that may be even more profitable in the long run. Now, in terms of choosing the best Bitcoin wallet for you, what you could do instead of setting it up on the Coinbase is going over to the bitcoin.org, and these guys have put together a series of questions that will help you choose the best Bitcoin wallet. The one that is the most suitable for you. So all you need to do is click on the next button, answer few questions such as which operating system you are using, how much to know about Bitcoin, which criteria are important to you, and what features are you looking for. And depending on your answers, they will provide you with a unique option. And another thing worth mentioning is their referral program, and they will give you some generous commissions for referring your friend if they start trading and buying cryptocurrency, and selling. You will get a good percentage of that. If you're interested in that, I will cover it in a separate video, because it takes a little bit of time and I don't want you to waste any. So that's it for now. Thank you for watching. This is Ray Han, signing off, and I will see you next time.